Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can activate the auto rotate on the Umidigi Power 3 here. So out of the box, the Umidigi Power 3 auto rotate is disabled. So what you want to do is pull down the status bar. Now, once you pull down the status bar, you're going to be able to see the auto rotate right there in the center, and it is disabled like I mentioned. All you got to do is tap on that, and that is going to activate the auto rotate. So say for instance you go into an application now and then you rotate the device. Now as you can see, all the content has rotated as well, and this will work in a wide variety of applications, websites, but yeah, out of the box that auto rotate is disabled. But if you're wondering how to activate it, that is basically it. That's how you can activate the auto rotate on your Umidigi Power 3. If you found this video helpful, informative in any way possible, please hit that thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful quick tutorial videos just like this. All right everybody, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll talk to you on the next one.